What's in a smile? Few works of art have made such an impact on the world as Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa. To many people, it is her unique and enigmatic smile that has made such a lasting impression. So, what's in a smile, and why do we do it? Smiles seem to be as natural to us as breathing. It's not surprising, therefore, that smiles have a long history in our evolution. In fact, the roots of smiling go all the way back to our primate heritage. Primates often show their teeth to communicate fear or readiness to attack. But our ability to smile most likely developed from how primates also draw back their lips to show closed teeth as a sign of non-aggression. While smiles might express various degrees of sincerity, it seems their beneficial effects remain the same regardless. This is because the act of smiling has proven therapeutic benefits and may even be essential for good health. The transformative effects of smiling are also infectious. The people around you will return the smile you give them, and their bodies will begin their own cycle of feel-good changes as a result. So, just keep smiling and all your worries will go away.